Sneeze. Okay. So today is going to be a bit more visual. Oh, actually, let me post this on Facebook for the one person who might be interested. Oh, hang on. There you go. There we go. Alright, cool. Right. So, today in To-Do, feels a bit weird, but we're doing something visual. So, really easy one here, remove margins. So, in a nutshell, if we open this up and we go into Inspect Element, and then you click this button here, this is how it would look in mobile. Let's have a look. Wow, this is a bit balked. It's not hideous. If I close this, oh, okay, yeah, I have used DevTools before, so yeah, already I'm confused. So first of all, these links, there need to be buttons, so it's very obvious where you're clicking, because Skills Lookup is wrapping around. You know, this is like, yeah, right. So let's just start there. So I'm pretty sure. Let's just close. Oh, close the wrong one. So we'll start. So we go into the templates here. Let's just close everything as well. Oh, look at that. Templates. Okay, so we have just got these. So where we have rules nav, we can maybe in this class create something. I don't know. I'm not going to be super imaginative. Maybe we make this a flex box, and then each hyperlink can be like a. Yeah, we'll try it. So public CSS. It's a core style. Let's put it over here so I can see the markup and see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to put. I need to tidy this whole file up, but you know, it works for now. Mobile styles. You know, it's just a bit of a. And if we rewrote this in a CSS preprocessor, we would save a bit of code our end, but then generate more. Anyway, so I go rules nav. Now does rules nav actually have any styling already? Oh, okay. So let's just say rules nav display flex. See, already that's better look. Bada bing, bada bing. And then let's just say these. Maybe had a border. Okay. That doesn't look right. I can't do it in this. Alright, let me just try it. Rules nav. Display equals flex. Dot rules nav. Be a bit more specific. Do you know what? I don't like this class name because I bet this is everywhere as well. Because I made this specifically to navigate around this rules page, but now it's just general. It's like main menu. So let's go here. Let's go like this. It's only in two places, so let's call It's called rules nav. I don't know what it is. A main menu? Not really. Navigation link. Main nav. So the rules. Let's call it main nav or primary nav. I like that. So this, and then rules link. Primary nav. There you go. Now we've got a bit of. It's a little more descriptive. What are we doing here? What we call primary. Primary nav. Primary nav link. Alright, so primary nav. It's going to be like this. Something like this. There you go. Doesn't like it. Oh, it's empty. Have we got any colours we've used? Alright, so this. There we go. Maybe like this. One big solid. Like this. And then we give that border radius of. Where else? I like to see where else we've used border radius. So if it's 4 pixels, I'll use 4 pixels here. And in general, if we use the same size, it just looks a bit neater. You can hear a bit of an echo. Let me check my sound settings. Hello? 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 No? I don't know, it's a bit weird, the echo. Is it video capture device? Oh, you echoing? I don't know. Is this echoing? Is this echoing? Can you still hear me? You can still hear me. If I turn it back on, is it echoing? Echoing. 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 I don't know. Anyway, that's a task for another day. So we need to rebuild. So we copy that CSS. Oh, that looks. That hasn't worked, has it? Oh, okay, because we've got a typo. I'll do it. Primary nav link. Primary nav link. Let's try it again. Doing the hard reset, Control F5, or was it Control Shift F5? One of them. So Flex is working on that weird character there. So primary nav. Yes, and then A of the class primary nav link. Well, let's just try and make it less specific. Still doesn't like it. Oh, typo. Still got it wrong. There you go. Bit of padding. I don't know. I sort of think this. So we'll do a we'll make the background colour blue, and then we'll put colour white, or like this. Text decoration, make it no text weight, make it bold. Font weight even. I have used CSS before. And this, I've got another blue colour, I know that's a bit darker. Just don't want to add a load of colours. Not really. Why on that one? Alright, I'll use that. And then we'll give it a hover. Looks, I mean, it's not amazing, but it's better. Let's try it. So desktop. I don't like to underline. Text decoration. No. It's not amazing, but it's something. Let's look at that. Oh, hang on. That. Okay, I thought it was broken. So, look and scroll. This is 100%. Thank you. So sideways. Oh, hang on. We need to go back to home. Fix them buttons. So if we go home. It's all over the place, you see, so let's give it one of these. Class equals primary nav link. Just paste that in there and there. There we go. We want consistency, so it was stats, you see. There we go, lead tracker. Oh, we haven't built that yet. Ignore me, team management. Okay, that's a good team. Copy that. Primary now. What's because that search is on. I really do not care for this though. I think I'm going to get rid of the font weight. I'm going to swap the colours. Like this. Ooh. Make it look a lot worse. Yeah, I prefer that actually. I do. I think a little bit more padding though. Don't want to go crazy. But let's 5 pixels. Let's go wild. Yeah, look at that. So view teams. this is okay. But if we look in this it's right on the side, but if you look on your mobile, it's here we go. So let's save the work we've done so far. Add style to name navigational looks. See, this is why it's so small. Oh, we need to get rid of paddings as well. That'll create a bit more space. So, core styles. Let's inspect. So on an old phone like mine, you'll not have a lot of big screen. So it's a container. Okay, so we'll reduce the padding. We'll make it very small, the amount of padding. That's a bit too small. Maybe half of that again. That's okay. And then we've got a bit more padding when we're on desktop. There you go. Now we need to copy this to the header, otherwise it just looks weird because it's all out of alignment. Crazy. What was it? 1 and 2, so that's 0.5, that'd be 1. Okay. There we go. It's not bad, not bad. We could tidy the header maybe on mobile. How do we deal with this table? Assess the oracle. So I'm going to go. Because I've never actually had access to tables on mobile before. We do reduce the number of columns, we make it scroll left and right. Oh, I like that, make the first column sticky. Oh, you stack them. Just trying to visualize this in my brain. So here, you could have this stacked bumper dumper dumper dump. I'm not sure I like it. We'll try it, we'll try it. So let's look at the styles team. what styles are, so let's go find a file. Team list. Positions table. Also, there's no styling on, well, there is actually a positions table. It's probably going to be there's no styling on positions table, alright. So it has got some styling on it. Yeah, we've got all this. Oh, cool styles it is in there. About one I thought. We just put boom straight on all the tables. Alright, I like that. Fair enough. Fair enough. Sortable tables. I don't know if I'm going to like this. But I am curious. Actually, I do like it, actually. I like it. Yeah, actually. I don't know what this weird left-hand side is. Is that... Hang on. Does it want me to put some kind of data label in there? Yes. So you'd have to be in. Hang on. I'd like to bring that over a bit, but you know, we'll see what we can do. Boom, boom. So, if you turn your phone on the side, you get the proper view. Yeah, I like that a lot. Thought I would. Team status race coach league. Now, potentially. Hide cards. Only not really, not for that one, but maybe in the future. So I did really like this. Can I make the width of the label column smaller? this other gumph in there. Let's try it. No, I don't like that. Something's gone wrong there. Before. Alright, so these two before the label. Try and shrink that bad boy down. Alright, let's really iron, that's probably why. So that one to be 100%, and we want the before one to be 0, min width. Try this with template columns like that. Finesse this. That's better. Lovely dribbly. Look at that. All teams. It's not scrolling though. No. Because right, that many teams. Okay. What is with this flex? Margin right. Aha. Right, let's do that. Oh, these really old styles. Margin right. Get rid of that. Well. Actually, right, let's get that back. Go down here. So we had a margin bottom here. display flex. We have a little bit of a gap. Actually, I think ChatGPT is so much faster than Google these days. Blah 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 blah. Gap. Let's give that a shot. No, it's not working, is it? That's definitely display flex. Oh, doesn't like it. No, that's not going to work, is it? What if? We've just got rid of now. Turned it off entirely. Go rogue, so home. Let's make it a div. Nearly. There is a gap though. Oh, hang on. Oh no, we lost that gap. Right, so there's no display block here. Ah. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, well, that'd be quite nice for mobile, wouldn't it? Let's go through these and get rid of team. Display equals that's just CSS flex grid for buttons with a small gap between that are of equal width. Oh, are you kidding me? I'll put the gap here. I'll make this flex one. There we go. get to that text decoration. We have. I'll try settling the text as well. That's okay. Okay, yes, 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 nice, okay. Ooh, okay, we're gonna have to tidy this up. For players, it's a bit rough. Yeah, maybe we'll take off some of this information. So we're gonna put add mobile sales for primary identification, header and tips. Right, so we're gonna go in here, get rid of that. Team? Nope. Team view. Right. Everywhere there's a table, I'm going to have to add those tags. But no biggie. So for example, I go into rules and stats. You know, I'm going to have to go. You know what I mean? And then you can see the stats. Cool. Alright, let's sort this out very quickly. Bit of a detail. Rules. Team. And we want team. List. Team list. So that's the code I want to copy. So when looking at a team, portion, skills, primary skills, okay. Let's skills are wrapping around, which isn't good. Skills. Let's have a look here. Yeah, come on, what's going on here? That's kind of went crazy, hasn't it? If I put a typo in it somewhere. something's went a bit mental here, so let's look at partial skill tag. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Don't really know what grid does, need to look it up. On the floor. Yeah, that's kind of what I want. What have we forgotten? Grid area. So I could say grid area. Oh yeah, let's just try this. Grid area. Label. Grid order columns. No. Okay, let's try this. So I want nothing to wrap or labels to be smaller if possible. Says it's got it. No, I like that, because otherwise I have to apply this everywhere, aren't I? So, positions table class equals list stacked. Is it better? Let's look at team management. Also needs to be in Spectrum mode. Nope, it wasn't here. It was all teams, wasn't it? Good, but I like the right hand. Gotta admit, before this fucking with CS would have been a full-time job for somebody at one point. Ugh. Well, I kind of like it. Yes. Ooh. If I don't know what it's called, ellipsist. Let's try that. It's a bit cheap, I think, doing this, but at the very least. Alright. The column contains multiple elements. Can it treat that entire group as an ellipsis string? Okay. Let's try it again. Round two. Round two. Yeah, now we're talking. But I feel like we missed a bit. Alright, let's copy it here. And there's where AI starts to lose its mind a bit. bad. Not bad. I wish this secondary colour scheme was a bit... What's it called? Background. This one makes it a bit harsher. Yeah. More obvious. Oh, lovely. Ooh, that's ugly as sin. Oh, that's I mean, that's a bit... Okay, I can live with that. There we go. It's a bit more readable. I kind of want to give the table a border. Why not? Yeah, if it was that close. Like that, yep. Yeah, just to denote that it is a table, I reckon something like that. 1 pick solid. And that. Border top. Border top. Solid brown and red. Grey. Just for a bit of visual clarity, it won't look very amazing, but oh no, I won't show it all, even better. Stacked. Have I broken it? Table. Let's try the other. No. How bizarre. Oh, okay, get that bit. All I want is a border. Maybe... I don't know. Something like this. Border. Top. 1 pix. Solid hooked up. Oh, my earphones are running out of battery. Alright, put you on charge. That's quite a lot. Let's change this to this. Okay. There we go. Oops. So. Turn the music off. So. I don't know why. There you go. Now I use the background music. Oh, I've got some awful feedback. Feed. Oh, it's still recording somewhere. Oh well, professionalism, I like it. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. I can still hear that ring. Maybe it's because the microphone. Is that better? 1, 2. 1. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Mouse view away from the monitor. Well, that's weird. That's really weird. Alright, let's put it over here. Like that. Oh, I like that angle. Okay. It's flattering. That's even better. Look like one of those Easter Island statues. Right. So, what I was saying is sometimes I use a background track. I use a lot. So here I can, I've been working an hour. You know, it's like tracking your time, but like a normal person. I don't know how long I've spent on trying to get a line on the top of a table, but it's been too long. But I really want this line, so I'm going to persevere. It's my stream and I can do what I want. And it's your fault for watching. Yeah, you know, I've tied up this CSS. Why? Come on now. You know what I mean? Inconsistent white space. Is there a grey evil? No. Seagulls roosting on my house. Anyway, I suppose they were here first though. They were here first. Not the specific gull, as in their kind. Right, stacked table. There's nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with that table stacked. Maybe it's like a caching issue. Is it because of border collapse? It's because of border collapse. Okay, how do I undo border collapse? How to undo table border?
board is back on. Okay, so it was me not reading the code, not understanding the code. Yeah, still not working though. Ah, it still collapses. Separate. Can it unset it? What it does? Nothing. You know what? I'm going to live with this for now. I'm going to live with this. So let's put my to-do nice to haves. My styling. I'll just move on because I'm getting sick of it. I mean, it's not horrendous. It's just not correct. I need to reword these as well. Primary skills. Primary, and really it should be like available skills. Primary skills. Maybe I'll just do primary skills. Prime. It's not bad. If you play Blood Bowl, you'll know roughly what these mean, okay? Now, good. Ugh, alright. Okay. Yeah, I need to tidy up the view pages of this as well. So here, we're going to do the same in team. Oh no, team. Manage. Nope. View. So this is going to be a class stat. Hide. Yeah. Too many. Oh, we'll try it. SPP. No. I've got a bit of faith. Right, so let's add the data labels to here. Position, movement allowance. So we go down here one. Skills. SPP status. It's not horrible. Hang on. But why is it bigger? Why is it bigger than everything else? Like what's... Why is it so huge? Something different about this template? Is it like not within a container? Uh-huh. No, it looks fine. Okay. Well, I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's thinking it should be wide because the amount of columns. No, it's not that. Good. Interesting. So. Okay, fair enough. It's not awful. Maybe it's pretty awful. Why is it like that? Yeah, something's not right here, is it? I think it's got to be the template. So let's compare. Let's compare to list. Table's too big. It's just the table. It's not. There might be something else. Maybe. to the first one. Right, so the content's fine, but something's not right here. Is it the flexiness? No, it's not that. Oh, God. Hang on, it's like... So what's this biggest? Yeah, it's bigger than the page. Is it not contained properly? Just double check for sanity. Team base twig, base twig. Oh, that could be a clue. So let's go to the base template. Team base as opposed to base. So team base extends base but adds a couple of things in, fair enough. So let's just say we did that. Oh, hang on, I think I found it. I think team management style. Maybe there's something in there. Nope. So it's not anything in that style sheet. Block contents. Block contents. Content. 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 Is it the same? Yes. The review is the same as block content. Huh. Okay, so it's not. It's obvious, but it's definitely this. Okay, so it's one of these columns. I'm going to guess it's going to be skills in it. But let's try. Yeah, okay, so it's just skills acting up. Primary skills. Cell group. Oh. Hang on a minute. That might do it. No, it wouldn't. It looks the same. Let's have a look here. Skills. Just got a feeling. Just the number of skills that I'm putting in there, maybe. Yes. Okay. Let's try the other way. Let's just try. Play skills. Huh, so that works. But when I put more in, it goes mental. Just don't like that space. Yes, okay. You know what? I don't mind the space now. I've grown to like the space. Yeah, that looks much better, actually. I mean, still rubbish and coming off, but... So, I'm gonna say... I don't know if this is gonna sound... No, it doesn't. Yeah. Don't know if it'll be able to make heads or tails of that. I have this allow wrapping. Pasting code without reading. Send it to container. Hey, that did work. Oh, we need to wrap it. You know what? I like that more. I like it. Yeah. Okay, cool. I would like these stats to be on one line. I'm gonna just see if I can do that. Stats. Okay, that makes sense. So I just hide and show. Mobile row. Display flex. I'm guessing, yes. Okay, that sort of works. Then go to stop. Hey, okay, so that's a bit tidied up a little bit. But I don't like it. Squish it a little bit. So rather than a space, we're going to have movement allowance, strength, edge. I think it's a bit hard to read, but it's not bad. Oh, we've got some more space we can get rid of. I think it's a bit better than that. No, I'm happy with that. Even if no one else is. Happy days. So, add that. Yes, so let's add team player mobile table styles, and then because it's so squashed on the mobile view, I'm going to have to embellish and add a bit more to but before I do that, I think bit is fine. Yeah, I want this to be a bit tidied. This info. Try that. I hate it. Oh, hang on. It's working me a style. Ooh. Okay. This is going to have to go into team management styles. It's kind of in the yeah, it's not amazing, but tidy up later. Nah, I hate it. Why is it not in 2 columns? What have I done wrong? Display grid, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it is. I like the way we handle it with CSS and not markup. Maybe I need to put more layout on CSS and remove it from the templates. that's so much better. Actually, we'll do like this. Oh no. Okay. Okay. All wireless screens have columns equally spaced, but on the mobile show it in a single column. Should be a flex switch, shouldn't it? I just said, read my mind. Alright, let's try this. Din 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 din. Executive decision. I'm going to get rid of this then. Oh no, I'll leave it because I think I use it in Team Creator. I don't like this, but I like this. Yeah, okay. Is matches played? Why is it on a? Oh. Okay. Make it a D2. Lovely jubbly. Look at that. I think that's a lot easier to read now. Look at that. Lovely. It's not amazing, but you know, we do our best. These on the bottom could use the same styling as primary navigation. So I'm going to do that now. Oh, because I've used why have I used buttons? Never mind. Let's just ignore this for now. Close others and go to home. Not home. We'll get this link and we stick it in there. And then we'll stick this in here. Give that a whirl. Oh, it's much nicer, isn't it, than those things? Yes. Okay. So less code. It's nicer. Yeah. Why not? Editing. Yeah, it's still the same. Oh my word! Right. Let's think about this. I think we've done enough mobile styling for today, so let me just go team manager view. I will update the logs. So yes. Place buttons within JavaScript navigation. Oh, header. Something else which I think might be broken. And the most important, I mean, we know this is a little bit broken, but okie dokie. Start match. Yes. Okay, make back to x a partial, but make it float in the bottom right. I think that'd be cool, so that way it's easy to get back. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, quick view buttons need. They're not bad, they're not horrible. They're not the worst, but they're not great. Quick view buttons, I say good 5 out of 10. Well, the biggest thing, my biggest gripe, was the logs. Oh, let's have a quick view at logs. Disgusting. Oh, good lord. Log tables on mobile. Disgusting. All right, I'll do it later. Gotta do this main log. Began tweaking styles, player tables. Update log, and that is a wrap. It's enough for today, I feel. Dog might get a walk soon. Alright, let's end this.